speech therapy channel where you're going to get a lot of tips, techniques, activities and tutorials of how to do speech therapy in your house. Today I am bringing you the fourth Christmas activity. This activity can be used to teach our children the concept of time and date, which we all struggle with a little bit. I have just two announcements before we get into the activity. Number one, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also turn on the notification so that you get all my activities and tutorials. If you have missed the previous activity, check them out in this link. Number two is to do these activities and send me the picture or even the video of your child performing and learning through this activity so that I can share it with other parents and inspire them to also work with their children at home. Now let's go to the activity. Okay, so the first thing is to take a chart paper and draw a Santa Claus's face on it. Here I am showing you step by step how to draw the face along with the hat, the beard and the moustache. Date and time are very arbitrary concepts. That is, they don't have a logical origin, but they do have a logical sequence. So, teaching our child this concept can be a bit tricky. What really helps with teaching this concept is to teach them a progression or the sequence of how time and date progresses. This activity I have made in the similar way, making use of the concept of a sequence or of the concept of a logical sequence to arrive at the Christmas date. You can use the same type of activity or same type of logic to other festivities and other celebrations in order to teach your child the concept of date and days. Now once you have drawn the face and cut out the shape, you can take your child's help in painting the hat and the face and other parts of the drawing. You can take your child's help and ask them to paint. Here again you can ask them to do choice making and ask them their favorite color to paint or what color do you want, what are you doing. You can describe the activity as you are doing it. Now I am going to take this time to explain to you why theme-based activities are very useful in language or generally even in any type of learning. Theme-based activities mean that these are activities that are built around one theme. So this can be a holiday, this can be a character, this can be topics like vacation or beach, because these types of activities help our child develop a holistic understanding of what is happening. What I mean is, they don't just learn one or two words, but they learn how words are related, how actions are related to words, and how different concepts or different words interact to form their understanding. Now on the beard of the Santa Claus, you are going to write a date which is like a countdown towards Christmas. So you, from today's date or from the date you start the activity, write down the dates until Christmas. Once you have done this, stick it on the wall or on the door where your child can easily reach it. And every day in the morning or in the evening, or preferably when your child wakes up, take them to this picture and give them a small ball of cotton and ask them to place it on the date. So as you do this every day, the child understands the concept of a day, of how a day has a long time. Even though they don't understand that day has 24 hours, but they still understand that one day is finished when I sleep and wake up, and then next day comes. And all our children are very good with numbers. So they know that as you're counting down towards a number, they are going to reach a goal. And on the 25th, you mention to them that it is Christmas, and you do a lot of Christmas celebrations, you sing songs, you watch Christmas videos, so they understand that 25th is Christmas and I worked towards it. Now take 5 seconds to give me a comment if this activity and idea was useful to you, Do it with your child and come back and tell me in the comments. I will wait. See you in the next video. Bye bye.